Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today, we are replacing this outdated door lever with a newer door lever for an elderly couple. With this new door lever, tools you will need: new door levers, an impact drill, PH2 drill bit, hex wrench 5/64, Phillips flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Take out the 5/64 hex wrench. Use the 5/64 imperial hex wrench and turn it counterclockwise to loosen the set screw and remove the door lever. Next, take the flathead screwdriver and slide the flathead between the backplate and the door to remove the backplate. Now, either use the Phillips head screwdriver or the impact drill along with the PH2 drill bit. Use the PH2 drill bit with an impact drill or a Phillips head screwdriver to remove both through bolts. Remove the through bolts. Remove both sides of the lock chassis. Press in the door latch for easy removal. Remove the two screws holding the door latch. Remove the door latch. Time to unbox the new door levers. In this box, you get new door levers, new door latch, door strike plate, Allen wrench, step-by-step installation instructions, 2 long and 4 short screws, 2 gold door lock keys, smart key tool to rekey if keys lost. Remove the old door strike plate with a Phillips flathead screwdriver. Open the plastic bag of screws. Take the new door strike plate along with 2 short screws. Insert the new door strike plate into the door frame of the previous plate. Use the 2 short screws to tighten the door strike plate to the frame. Take the door latch. Insert the new door latch into the edge bore hole. Use 2 short screws to tighten in the door latch. Take the key side door lever. Push in the door latch and insert the key side door chassis through the latch assembly. Make sure you are inserting the correct door levers on the correct sides of the door. Now take the door lever with the turn switch, with 2 long screws, and the Allen wrench. Remove the door lever by loosening the set screw counterclockwise. Use the Phillips flat head screwdriver to remove the backplate. If lever base won't sit flush, rotate turn switch horizontally to align. Then install the lever turn switch. Insert the 2 long screws through the 2 holes. Finger tighten first. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver or impact drill with PH2 drill bit to tighten screws. Put the backplate back on the turn switch chassis. Make sure to align the screw holes. Reinstall the door lever. Using the Allen wrench, tighten the set screw clockwise to secure the door lever. Make sure the door levers, turn switch, and door strike plate are working properly. Make sure the door latch closes properly against the door strike plate. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the door levers from start to finish.